neighbor.
I've been seeing way more falling stars lately.
Really?
Like it's almost getting to the point where it's kind of ridiculous. Yeah, it's
There's
maybe
a meteor coming.
Once a week. Maybe I see it at least one.
Could you imagine? We know it doesn't seem like it's real. Like you sit and talk about like asteroid impacts. Oh, the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs 65 million years ago, or the one that killed, everything before that, the mass extinction before that 250 million years ago, or the one that ended the ice age 10,500 years ago. I mean, there's all this speculation about asteroids, but the real reality is there are gigantic, hundreds of thousands of gigantic rocks in space that can fuck us up. And every now and then, one comes crashing down. It's happened many, 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 many times. Over the history of the life of the Earth, it's happened so many times. And it could easily happen today. It could easily happen tomorrow. It could easily be one that comes from behind the sun and we can't see it until it's too late. And then, boom! And it just fucks the whole world up. That's so possible. We don't like to think it's possible because it's never happened. But I always always say it's like an anthill. That human life is like an anthill. Like if you are an ant and you're living in an anthill, you were probably born in that anthill, and that anthill is all you've ever known. I mean, how long do ants live? Like a week, a couple weeks, something like that? So say like this anthill's been around for 6 months. That's been through the generations after generations, long dead, have made this anthill. And then, you're toiling away in your little anthill, and one day some kid is walking through the field and he sees that anthill and just boom, boom, just starts to stomp on it for no fucking reason. And then your anthill's crushed out of nowhere. You never thought it was going to happen. It's always been fine. Everything's always been cool at the anthill. If you had to take a guess and you had to make a gamble, you would say, yeah, this anthill's always going to be here. It's always been here, always will be here. Bam! Some kid just stomps the fuck out of it. That could happen to people. That could happen to Earth.
Katrina.
How about Detroit? It's happening like that in Detroit.
Slow.
Yeah, slow.
Slowly. Somebody has a magnifying glass on